Oh, thank you.
Hi, cutie pie. Boy, she got a colic back here.
Yeah. There you go. There you go. Isn't it good, boo-boo? Yes. Yes. Good, boo-boo.
It's okay. It's alright, baby.
Okay. Okay. Alright, come on.
Aren't you taking it?
There she is. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Peekaboo.
I could do it at 3.
At 3?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And his name?
Christopher?
Okay, you got it. See you then.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Peekaboo. Hey. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Look how cute he is.
What happened?
Let me check you. You're not now for sure.
What happened?
Where'd she go? I'm back. I'm back.
It's okay, Adrian.
Okay.
It's okay. Calm down.
Well, now you know he doesn't like to be sprayed.
Hey, boo-boo. Hey, boo-boo.
Still leaving plenty hair here in the back.
Look at the toys. Hi, look at the
Boy, are you going to love your video. Especially when you're 15.
Well, this is our first story ever. I have 4 girls. Grandson.
So this is the king of the house.
There you go.
There we go.
You're done, Adrian? Oh, my voice.
Good.
Let me clean him up.
Look at how pretty we look. Yes, look at how pretty. Let me see your nose. Let me see your nose. Yes, let me see. Oh, I know. There you go.
They leave me alone. I'll let you hold
You want to get him or you want to get him?
It's either one.
Well, you have the camera. Come. Yeah.
him. Come on. Let me get this.
Oh, I'm sorry, guys.
That's okay. That's okay.
There we are. There we are.
Hold him right there.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Cameras underneath that
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I know. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Oh, poor boo-boo. Yeah.
That's not going to get curly.
Oh,
Good. That's
Yeah.
adorable.
Little colic. You comb it on a big C.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so it'll go like this.
Yeah. See, all done, huh? Say
You're
thank
so
you.
handsome, Adrian.
Say thank you.
He looks so cute. Adrian. Hey. Hello. Hello.
I just want to wipe your nose. I know. Yeah.
Hey.
See, she's not crying.
Hi.